Several people have asked me if I use Twitter for my EdTech Twitter chats. And if I do not, what is it that I recommend for a beginner who has never participated in a Twitter chat? Well, the first answer is I use the Twitter website if I absolutely have to, such as if I'm in the car and I need to use my phone for a Twitter chat. I've tried other tools on my phone and I find them to almost be overwhelming. So that is when I would use it. If I'm on my MacBook and I have great website access and my Wi-Fi is wonderful, I will actually use something called TweetChat. So literally tweet and then chat.com. When you arrive at TweetChat, because I've used this frequently, you're going to see something totally different, but you will be asked to authenticate or authorize your Twitter account to log into TweetChat, and that is completely safe. When you get there, you will want to use the hashtag for our corporation e-learning Twitter chat. Hashtag the # SVELearn. Once you've done that, it will take you to this website, which I find to be extremely simple and a lot less confusing than watching everything in here and knowing that you have to search here to go to the hashtag and paying attention, and there's just a lot that goes on. So this is fantastic to use. So there are three important parts here. The first is this box. We'll go with the box in the middle. This box is actually where you will type out all of your tweets, and as you can see, I've already started one. I'll go ahead and tweet out something referring to what I might do today, and let's see, the newsletter announcing the 4th and then I'm going to put hashtag SVELearn at the end. And you ask, why would I do that? If I include the hashtag, it will be collected with all other tweets that include that hashtag. And that's how we create the actual Twitter chat. Everything with that hashtag is going to show up in your feed, which is down here below. So let's review. This box is where you would type your tweet, and you have to realize you only have 130 characters or less. I'll send a video tomorrow with some tips and tricks on how to make that happen. At the end of each of your tweets, you have to include hashtag SVELearn so that it shows up in the actual Twitter feed with all other tweets that include the same hashtag. Now, the last thing I can do is include a long link. Remember that you only have 130 characters. That can make this a little bit difficult. Let's head out to our South Vermilion website, and I'm going to include a link. Now, if my website takes up more than 45 characters, I will not be able to include my tweet. And that's where the ability to shorten my URL becomes extremely important. So I'm going to head out and find something that might have a longer address. And so now we have one that's a little bit longer. Let's see what happens when I copy this web address, and I am going to include it down here. I have a problem. Now I've gone well over my limit, but there is a solution on this page that will help you. So I'm going to take that out, and above the box where I type my message, it says URL to shorten. I'm going to put that website in there, and then I'm going to click shorten. And now you can see it has made that web address much shorter, and I still have characters left. So if I were ready to tweet, I would then click tweet, and it eventually shows up down here. I'll send another email tomorrow with more tips and tricks as we get ready for our first Twitter chat. Have a great day.